Welcome back to Tiny Food Scientist, where small foods reveal big secrets. Today's question is, what amazing science are we discovering today? Stay until the end. You might be surprised. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our food science adventure. They use betalains. These molecules are nitrogen-rich and incredibly stable. Betalains are remarkably resistant to heat and extreme pH changes. But their real power appears when they touch porous surfaces like fabric or wood. They form strong hydrogen bonds with the fibers themselves. They don't simply stain the surface, they lock into it. That's why bead stains can survive washing and even harsh chemicals. It's nature's version of permanent ink, aggressive and chemically engineered to stay vibrant. Now, let's talk about tea. Have you ever taken a sip of oversteeped tea and suddenly felt your mouth go dry? That strange puckering sensation is called astringency, and it's basically molecular theft. Your saliva contains slippery proteins that keep your mouth lubricated. Tea contains tannins, powerful polyphenols designed to bind to proteins. The longer tea steeps, the more tannins flood into the water. Once the concentration gets high enough, the tannins begin attacking your salivary proteins. They latch onto them, bind them together, and force them to clump up and precipitate. Within seconds, your mouth loses its natural lubrication. That dry sensation isn't dehydration. It's a microscopic chemical war happening across your tongue. And if you leave the tea bag in too long, you lose. Finally, we arrive at one of the strangest food mysteries ever discovered: asparagus. Some people eat asparagus and immediately notice a strong sulfur-like smell afterward. Others notice absolutely nothing. For years, scientists thought only some people produce the odor. But the truth is far stranger. Almost everyone produces the sulfur compounds. Not everyone can smell them. This comes down to a mutation in a gene called OR2M7, which controls a specific odor receptor inside your nose. If you carry the mutation, you become essentially smell-blind to asparagus metabolites. The chemical is still there. Your brain simply lacks the receptor. It's a reminder that reality itself is filtered through biology, and even dinner can be experienced differently from one person to another. From neurotoxins hidden inside potatoes to genetic blind spots, the food we eat is really a battlefield of chemistry, evolution, and survival. The next time you step into your kitchen, remember, you're not just cooking. You're handling defensive toxins and molecular weapons. Which of these food mysteries surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into hidden science.